Hello guys, this is from Top 2 Reviews. Today I'm giving a quick review for the Singer Mechanical Heavy Duty Sewing Machine Extension Table in gray color. This is a great quality extension table for heavy duty Singer sewing machines. It is great for Singer 4411, 4423, 4432, and 4452. If you purchase your machine without extension table, then this is a great time to buy this because it helps with like big projects, like larger projects like quilting blankets, long and maxi dresses, and other costumes. What I like with this is it is foldable. And this is adjustable too, according to the height that you need. It's very easy to use, and when not in use, you can just fold this and keep it somewhere. So it's also a great space saver. This is very great quality. I highly recommend it to anyone who owns a Singer heavy duty machine.